Hey, what up? Mighty Mike, one more time. Here we go. I'm back in the yard, as you can see. Same yard, ain't nothing changed. Look at that wide view. I'm gonna put myself in these videos one day, don't worry about it. But it is now officially a week since I watered my lawn, sprayed my lawn with the Ortho Weed B Gone. So let's look at some select. Let's just look at what we got. You know, killing the weeds, but saving the grass. All right. So as you can see, those clovers are pretty much dead at this point. All you see is the remnants. Grass still alive. Look at that right there. Remember last time they were looking like little dinosaurs? But now they look like little squiggly dead things. If you look at this wide view, you can see that none of those clovers are standing up no more. My grass might be coming back. You see a lot of light yellow patches where weeds are still dying. You can tell where the weeds are because it's a different color. It's turning yellowish. All right, let's look at let's look at this. All right, what kind of weed is that? Well, it's a clover. And it's definitely dying. There is another one right there. So this is 7 days after watering the lawn with Ortho Weed B Gone. So what would you say? It's pretty effective, right? Now, when I did this last year, I was pleasantly surprised with the results. It worked even better on my front lawn though, because within a week, well actually it was 2 weeks later, it wasn't nothing back here but grass. In this case, the weeds are still visible, they just dead. See, all of that is dead weed. Let me head back over here. All right, let's look at these two guys again. See that? Last time I said they look like dead dinosaurs, but I don't like the fact that it's still standing up. I feel like I might need to spray this one again because these two are still standing up. Even though the neck is bent, and that's obviously not gonna produce any seeds, but the fact that it ain't completely killed over, I don't like that. Maybe in another week, these bigger ones will completely kill over, because I don't like the fact that it's still green either. It's definitely dying, but it feels like it's trying to hold on though, don't it? I want you to turn brown already. Turn brown already. So that's pretty good results, I'd say. So let's head over here where the grass is decent. You see this hill, the grass is pretty decent. So I had some up here. So you can see those clovers there are dying. That patch is just about gone too. That guy is dying. So wide view. So here you can see how all that yellowish in that patch, that's where all those clovers were and where the weeds were. So you can see the effect that the Weed B Gone is having in that area. Let's move in closer. So look at that patch right there. Right there. Up there. Now, I have not cut the grass in about 10 days. I haven't cut the grass since like 10 days ago. And I don't really plan on cutting the grass until these weeds die, because cutting the grass is how you spread them. So I'm gonna wait for all these weeds to like be dead and gone before I cut the grass, because I don't want to spread no more of these weeds. Let's look right here. Dead clovers, dead clovers. And finally, let's take a walk all the way up here. A lot of weeds in it. Look at that patch right there. And heck, it even kind of works on these. Like, you can spray this stuff on the weeds on the fence and those will start to die too. Not the same way that the grass weeds will, but spray it on them bushes too. So let's look all the way up here. I couldn't really reach the water holes up here, so you can see that stuff is still alive. I'm gonna have to pull the water hose up past this fence and come around the other side. But up here, you can still see these guys got spared all the way up here by the fence. But from about right here on down, dead and dying. All right, so if you one of them type of people that's hesitant about spraying a chemical on your lawn to kill the weeds, don't be. This stuff works pretty good. As you can see, my grass is still alive. See all that? I still have a lawn. All my grass is not dead. And the only thing that's really being dealt with is that big ugly patch of clover. So, all right. Hope you enjoyed the commentary. I hope you can see the results. And next time I use some type of product, I'll probably make another video about it. Mighty Mike out once again. Peace.